Hey friends, today I am unboxing Poco F1. It is one of the best mobile phone under 20,000 range. It comes with Snapdragon 845 chipset. It comes with 6GB and 8GB RAM options with the option of 64GB, 128GB or 256GB internal memory. I ordered it from Flipkart. The phone I am unboxing is red color variant. It is called Rosso Red. It has 6.1-inch Full HD Plus display, a dual camera with IR face unlock feature. The phone has 4000 mAh battery and it supports quick charge 3. In the box we have the phone itself. Also the company has provided a silicone case and there are some manuals. The box contains charger and a USB Type-C cable. And then there is this SIM ejector too. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How Techy channel.